Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a little weekly update and talk to you about a few things I saw last week and what's coming up for this week. I just want to remind you guys both that we have our bloodborne pathogens. You have to get at least a 16 out of 20 on that assignment in order to be going to clinicals. So if you haven't yet done that, please complete it. The second thing is don't forget about your aseptic training. I'd like those to be done by Friday, preferably before you go to class with Alan, because we need you to sign something that we need to send over to Mercy before you're allowed to schedule and do some of the observation of surgery. So make sure you do that by Friday before you go to class, and I set a little reminder in your weekly tasks. On top of that, don't forget about e-folios. E-folios are coming up, so making sure you get your interprofessional practice documents signed and writing your goals in objective form, and just make sure that you are really focused and have those pre sheets filled out and ready to go before the e-folio. Another thing is I reposted some of the documents we talked about last semester with goals and having reflective practice, and I hope that a review of reflective practice helps you in completing your reflections throughout this semester. Again, this semester we have 7 of them, and like I discussed in a previous video, I have revamped that assignment description a little bit, so really pay attention to that. And I think if you have a habit of reflective practice, then setting goals and understanding what kind of goals you need and what will help you advance is really important. With that, this week, we have a goals assignment. It's a 2-part assignment. The first one is developing your individual goals. Make sure you scroll all the way down on the assignment description to see the format that I'd like you guys to submit that in. So complete those goals, and then using them, I want you to complete 3 goals with your preceptor. So that might be what they see for you and what improvements they want to see. 2 of those need to be professional, and while one of them needs to be a more personal goal, personal development, whether that be being on time or completing assignments before the deadline or keeping up with your planner, fill in the blank. But so those assignments are going to go hand in hand. I just want to remind you also with the clinical goals assignment, you need your preceptor to sign that. So make sure they sign it and you scan that in to submit it. If you're having any issues with submission links, please let me know. They should have multiple attempts. So if you submit something and it doesn't turn out very good, it looks fuzzy, and you want to resubmit, you should have that option up until the deadline. Obviously, if you're resubmitting after the due date, then you will have some points taken off. But please get those in. Most of that is due by Sunday at 11:59, but don't forget your e-folios are due by Friday. So if you're having any questions about the links for the e-folios or what is due, please consult the semester assignments tab and the eFolio tab, or come in and ask questions. Obviously, I'm here most days that you guys are here in class. So please stop in, we'll have a conversation, ask me, ask Alan, and we can go from there. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great week. Please get into the reflective practice. Please get into thinking about what your goals for the semester are going to be and where you want to grow, because this is your 3rd semester and you're almost halfway done with our program. So although you have a lot of growing still to do, you're halfway there, and you're getting close. So make this semester count, and I can't wait to see how you're going to grow. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.